So a lot of my viewers was asking me to give them pricing idea, by the way, for all the sliding doors and sliding windows or opening, as long as it's not the kind of windows that everybody is looking at, ordinary houses, which is jealousy, or the steel casement windows. But of course, you want to know this kind of posh, what we call here posh in the Philippines. So this kind of door, including the lock, is what you quote me, or you have to pay for the locks.
I included.
So
Included accessories.
okay, the accessories you can you just open it for me, ma'am? So that's the door, and it has a what you call tempered glass, which is what I was asking for, because I have made sure that all my glass around my house is from tempered glass company here in Cebu, since this company called Double Win Glass Doors and Windows is also offering the price of 8,000 pesos per square meter for the glass and window pricing. Although they are based in Manila, but they have a lot of project here in Cebu City or Cebu Island alone, and I know that they can deliver it to you when you order it from them. Their contacts is 0917-304-7761, and you can contact Miss Vanessa, and you can email them at asan email address mo them? doublewinaluminum@yahoo.com. I will show it on the description, the contact number for Double Win, so you'll have an idea of how much it will cost you for all the requirements that you need for your doors and windows. And this is some of the profiles that they do. They also have a sliding door with screen, so when it's feeling hot, you can just put the screen instead of locking it in. So that's 8,000 per square meter, including the locks, which is the accessories, the frame, and the glass. And installation, ma'am, wala.
Included na yung installation.
Sorry. It's included with the 8,000 per square meter. So that is quite a good price. Because I might contact Miss Vanessa, because I got another requirement for a sliding door in my house in a few months. So this company is called Double Win Aluminum
Industry Corporation. Double Win Industry.
So Double Win Aluminum.
Industry Corporation.
Wala jud diri
Double Win Aluminum Industry Corporation.
So Double Win Aluminum Industry Corporation. I will copy their contacts, but I will make sure that you can see it here now. There. That's their contact, their website, their email, their telephone number, and in fact, even their office in Manila. Then you can contact Miss Vanessa. She's the one in charge of this company, and she will be the one answering your emails, and you will have a reply so fast that you can think of. Because I know you're usually used to the offices here that will reply maybe 2 to 3 months later, but I don't think Miss Vanessa is like that. She will accommodate you to any requirements that you need. She will answer all your questions, and she will tell you what their profiles and what is the quotation for your needs will be.